Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Smart Move to UK podcast, where we explore the UK business immigration to help you achieve your business goals. Today, we're tackling a hot topic, starting a renewable energy business in the UK, and I'm excited to explore this booming industry with you. The UK has positioned itself as a global leader in renewable energy. With government support, a growing market, and a commitment to sustainability, it's an attractive destination for entrepreneurs. But where do you start? Let's break it down. The UK, a green energy hub. The UK is practically buzzing with renewable energy. From offshore wind farms to solar panels on rooftops, it's a dynamic market. But what does this mean for you, the aspiring entrepreneur? Market potential. The UK's commitment to net zero by 2050 means there's a huge demand for innovative solutions. Areas like energy storage, smart grids, and green hydrogen are ripe for disruption. Government support. The government is backing the renewable energy sector with incentives and policies. This creates a favourable environment for startups. Industry giants. Companies like Ørsted, SSE Renewables, and Drax are leading the charge. Understanding their strategies can give you valuable insights. Finding your niche. With so many opportunities, finding your niche is crucial. Consider these areas. First, wind energy, onshore and offshore wind farms. Second, solar energy, solar panels and solar farms. Third, hydro energy, hydroelectric power plants and small-scale projects. Fourth, biomass energy, power stations and bioenergy solutions. Fifth, tidal and wave energy, harnessing the power of the ocean. Sixth, energy storage, developing battery storage and other solutions. Each of these areas presents unique challenges and opportunities. It's essential to identify a gap in the market and develop a business model that addresses a specific need. Navigating the visa landscape. As a foreign entrepreneur, getting the right visa is crucial. Let's break down your options. First, HPI visa, ideal for established entrepreneurs with a strong track record. Second, Youth Mobility Visa, a great option for testing the waters with a low-cost business idea. Third, Expansion Worker Visa, if you're expanding an existing business to the UK. Fourth, Innovator Founder Visa, for those with innovative, scalable business plans. Fifth, Self-Sponsorship Visa, for those who can sponsor themselves through their UK company. Sixth, Global Talent Visa, for leaders in their field. Seventh, Graduate Visa, for recent UK graduates with entrepreneurial aspirations. Remember, each visa has its own requirements and eligibility criteria. It's essential to do your research or consult with an immigration lawyer like the Smart Move to UK. Building your business. Once you've secured your visa, it's time to build your business. Business structure. Decide on the best legal structure for your business: sole trader, partnership, limited company. Company registration. Register your business with Companies House. Finding the right location. Consider factors like proximity to markets, talent pool, and infrastructure. Securing funding. Explore options like government grants, venture capital, and loans. Overcoming challenges and seeking support. Starting a business is never without its challenges. So, be prepared for obstacles and seek support when needed. Starting a renewable energy business in the UK is an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. If you're ready to take the next step, consider consulting with a Smart Move to UK for expert guidance. That's all for today, entrepreneurs. Until next time, keep dreaming big and building empires. See you soon.